we got this super cool dinosaur tablet. AJ, come check this out. What is it? Welcome back, K-homies. Look it, we got this awesome dinosaur LCD writing tablet sent by Cheerfun. Thank you so much, Cheerfun. They have different types of animals too. They have the dinosaur, which is what we got. They have rabbits, they have cats, they have unicorns, they have tons of different animals. So go check it out in the comments and you could get your toy tigers. We do? That's awesome. So whatever your favorite animal is, go get it down in the comments. So we got this awesome dinosaur writing tablet. As you can see, there's dinosaurs everywhere, even on the tablet thingy. Look at the back. There's lots of dinosaurs. Awesome. There's a volcano erupting. Okay, let's open this because this is awesome. Oh my goodness! Pull it out. Whoa!
It already has code in it.
Oh my goodness! Hey guys, there's 2 pens.
So when you draw, this erases.
And then the back, if you want it to stay, look. For example, we could draw something together. And if you don't want to erase it, you come back here, you switch that, and it locks. So when you press this button, it doesn't erase. So that's
It unlocks and locks too.
And then when you unlock it, then you can erase it. Like that. This thing is awesome.
I'd rather keep it on
There is
lock.
2 pens. There's 2 pens. So we could both draw at the same time. Oh. Tic-tac-toe!
Wait.
So AJ already went. So let me draw. Okay, I'm gonna go right here.
Oh my god.
I'm not.
You missed it. There you go.
Oh! Good job! So AJ gets a point.
So when
So
you draw,
it makes multicolored. Let me write
See,
the
look
word.
it.
You ready? Watch. Wait, this one.
as you see,
Wait.
I'm gonna show you guys when she's done writing this stuff.
Multicolored. That is awesome, guys. As you see, this one is green and this one is blue. Oh my goodness, that is awesome.
It goes on. See? Green, blue.
So there's green, blue, there's kind of a cyan color, and then there's a little bit of yellow on the bottom.
And a
And
little
on-
bit of yellow right
Right here there's a little bit of yellow, and then this is kind of green.
This is the aqua part.
Yeah.
You should make some type of music video or we will like sing colors.
Okay.
New colors.
So you could also put your pen here and pop it out
my
like that.
goodness.
It fits in right there.
4,
Blop.
5,
I think
6,
pens in here.
7, 8.
9, 10.
How do you draw that one? Wait,
Here,
one,
watch. I'll draw
2,
A, B, C, D.
one drawing's kind
Okay. Now, we're going to show you our dinosaurs. I'm going to draw a dinosaur, and AJ's going to draw a dinosaur.
Smash it like that, but that's a way to ruin it. and break
Okay,
it right.
AJ, let's draw dinosaurs. 3, 2, 1, go.
I have a big one. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what I'm drawing right now, honestly.
I'm going to name my dinosaur Gary.
I'm gonna name my dinosaur Jerry.
Gary and Jerry.
That rhymes.
This kind of looks like a giraffe.
Yeah, it does.
With
Dude,
scales.
yours looks like the Star Wars robots.
Oh my goodness, it does.
What? I was drawing with my nail.
That is awesome.
So it draws with anything.
Birdie. That
is mine.
Mine is
Nice.
sometimes.
I'm gonna make him breathe fire. I don't think dinosaurs breathe fire.
He's a fire-breathing
Wait.
dinosaur dragon.
Let's make kind of
I'm
like
gonna
a
make-
small volcano.
So it looks like he's breathing the fire.
Interrupting volcano.
This is Jerry. Jerry.
Interrupting volcano. Watch out.
Ah, it's a volcano!
So much for watching, and thank you so much, Cheerfun, for sending this awesome dinosaur. Make sure to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And go get your dinosaur, or cat, or fox, or unicorn in the comments down below. Watch YouTube to see our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep your chin up and never give up. Thanks for watching. Bye! Like and subscribe.